What up, YouTube? Bro, calling back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. And it's about to get really cold. A couple things I gotta do in the garden. Come along with me and hang out for a bit. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get all my broccoli. I worked too hard for this broccoli. Gonna be 26 degrees. I don't know if the broccoli gonna make it through or not. We ain't taking no chance. We get all food. We don't waste food at all, y'all. Sit up on the stand, let me do my thing, and I'll show you what some of these broccoli heads look like. It's cool with y'all? Cool with me? Let's do it. All right, got my snips. I know everybody's saying, hey bro, get the lead, get the leads. I'm gonna get the lead. I'm gonna get the lead. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna get the lead now. Some of these heads are bigger than others. This one's starting to separate. It's time to get it off. I do got some tight heads though. Pretty tight. Don't worry about the shadow. Pretty tight. We're getting the little ones, we're getting the small ones, we're getting all of them. Yep, that one that's small, it's going in high. I really think it's gonna kill back them leaves, and I don't know what effect they're gonna have on my broccoli, so I ain't taking no chances. I'm getting it while they getting good, y'all. Getting while they getting good. What I do? Some decent sizes in there. I know it's enough to fill the freezer up. I got a freezer filler, y'all. Freezer filler. And yeah, I'm stepping in the bed. Don't worry about it. Let's get all these. That's some good broccoli. Some good broccoli. All right, we got all the broccoli heads. We got them all. All right, I got some over here. They small. I ain't even worried about that one over there. Now I'm gonna get a few more of these leaves, y'all, but I ain't convinced on the taste yet. I got to harvest the broccoli in the house. We didn't eat it, so we'll see. We'll see. Y'all ain't gotta watch it. Y'all come back, man. Yep. Stay tuned. All right, that's what that broccoli look like. Trying to get the shadows out of the way. That's a lot of broccoli, y'all. That's a lot of broccoli. And I already got 4 or 5 heads in a freezer bag. Put that with it. Ooh. That gonna make the pot stink. Change my mind on these broccoli leaves. I'm gonna let that frost hit them and then see what they taste like after the frost. Yeah, I be changing my mind. That's what I do. Yeah, let's do a little tour while we out here. You know, this spinach. Let me taste this spinach, y'all. God darn, that spinach good. What is that? Viking spinach? Olympia spinach? Oh, that's good. Okay. All right, bro. Oh, I gotta come get this broccoli. Look at that bug. See? Go ahead and get your food. Get off. Yeah. Remind me, man, before this video over, come and get the broccoli. Collard green looking spectacular. I harvested a bunch of them from Thanksgiving. I'm gonna let the frost hit them and see what they taste like after that. More collards. You know, we ain't getting all into that. But look at my cabbage balling up. Yeah. Oh, she balling up. She balling up. Yeah, let me go and get these peppers off here. She ain't gonna make it through the night. Nope. Got to. Put them in my pocket. Got a little bug damage in there. We ain't worried about that. Look at that head balling up. Cabbage balling up like a goddamn armadillo out here. You know what I mean? Now, A couple things I'm doing out here. I'm really experimenting with my fig trees. They died over the winter last year. So these two, I'm gonna leave them unprotected. They really thick right here. And that white color means it's highly lignified. I don't even know if that makes sense, but in my mind it makes sense. The white, once it get white, I feel like it's way tougher than when it's dark brown. That's my opinion, y'all. It's just my opinion. All my fig trees in containers, I got them bagged up and ready for the world. I'm not taking these bags off at all for nothing. I don't care what the temp is, I'm leaving these bags on. But over here is my Awara Satsuma. I got this little, I think it's called an extra large tree bag. Put that over it, tie it up. Put that on the edge so she don't fly up. I got another fig tree on that side of the bag. Oh yeah, we're going all out. We're gonna see. If it don't make it, don't make it now. Don't get it confused now. That's about the deepest I'm gonna go. And I got one of these little, called a mini greenhouse. I think they had it on sale for like 2 for $30 2 years ago. Well, I pulled that back out. And I got my small figs in there. I got my columbine in the ground covered up. You know what? It's not gonna let me be great. Let me unzip this and y'all get in here and get a peek. Get a peek. See what's going on, y'all. All right, we back. I got it open. I got my Violet de Bordeaux small fig in there. Some fig cuttings I took. That's Celeste. LSU Gold. That's my columbine back there. Couple more LSU Gold. And I kept my passion fruit in a container. So I want to see if the passion fruit gonna make it over. But I got another passion fruit over there. 2 more figs. And that back there is a jujube tree. Yeah, it's a nice little greenhouse. If you got some small plants and want to take some cuts over the winter, this work out. Look it up on Amazon. Tell them Broke Farmer sent you. Cover one of my figs with a container, put a brick on it. The other one I did not. When you're doing these experiments, you need a constant. That is my constant in all these experiments. These are my cold-hearted citrus. I'm gonna have to leave them covered up for about 4 days. It's gonna be 26, 28, and 28 twice, I think. Only thing I gotta see about, it's got down red wonderful pomegranate. It died all the way back. It's supposed to be cold-hearted to 0 degrees. If it can't take 20 degrees, it probably don't need to be out here, y'all. I'm just gonna keep it a buck with you. I can't keep playing with these plants every goddamn year. I'm getting 50 years old. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm almost 50 goddamn years old. I ain't here worried about what you doing. Grow up. Be a man. Let me move on before I get mad. All right. Over the years, I accumulated a couple of these tree houses. I don't think they work well for doing, but if I got it, I'm gonna use it. Fig under there. This is what I really want to see work. A bucket. Chop the top out of it, put a bucket on it, see what she do. I think that bucket gonna work way better. Another one of these little tree houses. Bucket. Container. Tree house. Let me see what else. Ooh, what we got over here? Now these were my cabbages way behind. But they're finally putting on some growth. And look at him. Won't he do it? Look at him. Look at that, already done bit it. What he got on birds ain't whooping there? Oh, how much? Same old, same old. Nothing major going on. Wow, this is a little starty start. I think it's some kind of purple kale, something like that. I can't remember the name of it. But pretty, it tastes pretty good. We're gonna rock with it. Got down Brussels sprout. Taking forever. I don't know why I keep growing them, y'all. radishes. Radishes. But it's good for your soil to have radish in there, keeping the soil loose and, you know, loosen up and aerate. You don't want your soil to get compacted over the winter time. It is what it is. I'm gonna plant some more in a little while. Hoping this pineapple make it. I got a little Violet de Bordeaux fig snuck back there. Yeah, looking decent out here. And this eggplant, Inso eggplant. Yeah, it's putting on fruit. It'll be 26 degrees. Bro, if you make it through here, I'm gonna grow you forever. Matter of fact, if you make it over this, you're gonna be here forever, I would think. All right, this is my tall LSU gold fig. I chopped it, put this over it. We're gonna see what it's gonna do. And this gonna be controversial. Plastic over my Awari Satsuma. Everybody say, don't put plastic on it. But a few people in the back of the room say, I put bubble wrap around mine, bro. You can do it. We gonna see, y'all. I got it layered up. I got one at the top, one at the bottom. I cut the top out. We gonna see what it gonna do. It might make it, y'all. But every time it's below, I don't know, 30-something degrees, I'm gonna put this on and we're gonna see what we're gonna do. Greenhouse field and spectacular. Nothing major going on here. Yeah, she pretty. She pretty. She pretty. That's what it is. All right, this inside the greenhouse. Now without a heater in here, it get cold, I just cover everything up, y'all. Simple, basic. And these up here, heat is supposed to rise. We're gonna see if it's gonna rise tonight, y'all. If it don't rise, they're going down. It is what it is sometimes. All right, let's do a quick inventory on what we got in here. We got plenty of potatoes to last, even after Thanksgiving. Plenty of potatoes to last. Got a bunch of garlic. All right. So I like to keep up with this stuff, see what I got in here. And these potatoes I'm saving for next year to plant. Oh, they're looking good. Oh, she a little soft. She might not make it. Okay, that feels better. But I just got a bucket with a bucket on top of it. More garlic and stuff. Yeah, I definitely had too much garlic. All right, I just want to see what I had. Rosemary drying that, bunch of stuff drying that. Yeah, never go to the grocery store before you check and see what you got put up in the shed. Quick tip. All right, this is the day or the morning after my first frost. Ass frost, y'all. Couple things I'm really curious about. Some things I covered up, some things I didn't cover up. I'm just curious. One main thing that I'm curious about, it got down to 26 degrees last night. I didn't cover up my Satsuma tree. And the reason is, I'm gonna put it in the ground and I need to know, can it take the temperatures? No damage. That is a good sign. Literally no damage. Okay, let's see what else going on out here. Wow. That's pretty in a weird way. That's crazy. Look like, I don't know, broccoli ice cream treats. Y'all talk about that first frost, kissing them collard greens. Oh, I'm about to get some of these collard greens. I'm about to get some of these collard greens. Ooh, 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 ooh. They been kissed. That kiss that don't miss. Now let's see. And I got all kind of stuff covered up out here. And these birds still going crazy. All right. I ain't gonna unzip that yet. I'm gonna leave all that in there. All right. But this is what it looked like after the frost, y'all. It's pretty, not much damage. I'm not gonna go in the greenhouse and let the heat out of there yet. So that's what it's looking like after my first frost, y'all. All right, y'all. Everybody talking about winter woes and a lot of depression when it comes to winter because you know you can't get out in your garden. Well, let me tell you this, man. First thing you do, put a coat on. Second thing you do, put a hood on and go on outside. Go on outside. If inside your house is making you sick, get out the house. Find something out in your yard to do. There's so much stuff you can do, man. I mean, pull up your old dead plants. Put down your compost for next year. Put down your mulch for next year. Rearrange your beds. There's so much you can do. Put a coat on. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. But if it ain't frostbite weather, it's gardening weather. I'm gonna slow down and say that again. If it's not frostbite weather, it's good gardening weather. Never let the weather determine your mood. You are who you say you are. Enjoy your day.